Everyone in real estate is posting content right now. Reels, hooks, algorithms, and most of it is doing nothing for their business. Because attention doesn't equal trust, and trust is what actually moves decisions. The loudest agents aren't winning. The busiest feeds aren't closing deals. Here's what most people miss. The real leverage isn't in just being interviewed. It's in the interviewing process. When you're interviewed, you borrow credibility. The audience borrows trust from the host, and it transfers to you. But when you interview others, something more powerful happens. You set the frame. You control the context. You become the connector. You're not pitching, you're curating. And that creates an intangible advantage most agents never use. Content shows what to do. Conversations reveal how you think. They build relationships. They establish authority. They create alignment before business is ever discussed. This is what I call the broadcast effect. Conversations do what ads never can. They create context, nuance, judgment, values. And when someone spends 20 to 30 minutes in conversation with you, the trust is built before the first call even happens. The right conversations don't attract more clients, they attract better ones. In this masterclass, I'll show you how to borrow authority by being interviewed, how to build power by interviewing others, and how to turn conversations into real business leverage. If you want to stop chasing attention and start owning the room, welcome to the Broadcast Effect. I'm your favorite coach, Chris. I'll see you inside.